Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Harvey Carroll to discuss easy and inexpensive engineering. Hope you enjoy it. How to set grade with a laser level. Set up the laser level on a tripod on firm, dry ground. Ensure the tripod is stable. Turn on the laser level and give it a moment to self-level. Identify the initial height of the grade. The pitch of the grade slopes downward here. Place the bottom of the leveling rod at the desired height. Adjust the laser detector up and down until you hear the beep. Secure the detector. Identify the desired amount of fall from the top of the grade to the bottom. Let's assume 10 inches. Move the detector 10 inches up and secure. Remember, up is down and down is up. Walk to where the bottom of the grade will be. Find level with the laser detector. Depending on the workspace, you will either have to lift the rod, most likely, or dig into the ground. The bottom of the leveling rod represents the bottom of the grade. Be careful not to get dirt on there and mess it up. Mark the spot by inserting a stick in the ground displaying the desired height and end. You could do basically the same thing with a cheap do-it-yourself laser level. Same principles apply. And as you can see, it works very well. Just remember, if you're doing more advanced work, understand how to log everything and record it. Okay, here's the cheapest. A string level, and adjustable framing square. But you can use a ruler or a stick or anything to get the basic grade. You simply set up the string, secure it to something heavy at the eye end, pull it down, level it up. Okay, another cheap method, I actually haven't seen one of these in years. It's more or less a telescope with a level on it, and then your back sight rod. Level it up, and you begin getting your grade. Just like the laser level. Okay, then another cheap method is the water level. Normally people put windshield wiper fluid in it. It's blue. It's much easier to see. And you just stretch it from point to point to get your level lines. And you can see they're marking a pole for a pole frame building here. And then they simply stretch the lines out and go from pole to pole to get the level, and then from there they measure up and down. Okay, now the more expensive GPS-based systems. This man works for the city in Kiev and does this work often. And then here's another GPS system just randomly picked off the internet. Okay, you can use a combination of these together. As you can see, they're creating the road grades, and you could get setbacks as well. Shoot your lines, put your strings up, use a little bit of math, the Pythagorean theorem or construction calculator. Plug in your information to get your diagonals to square up your buildings. So, ladies and gentlemen, all these should be used to quickly help build industrial park projects in Ukraine. Thank you.